Good afternoon and welcome to deliverable 2.3. As you can see, we have a sort by country. We select our COCOM, we have select country, latitude, longitude, time frame, and for this we're going to be doing a particular country. So we have country, and then we have Philippines, and then we set our date and time for the desired time. In this case, we're going to filter our data. But before filtering, you can see that we have a blank My Data sheet. And after a little while of sorting the data and doing the filtering, you can see that our data is displayed by the desired country. Following that, it also then we move over to VBA, and in VBA we wanted to create a VBA code that allows us to export our data to a CSV file. And what that did is it allowed our data to be exported to a My Data CVS. So after we do that, we are now capable of reading this data in RStudio, the program we're going to be utilizing to create some more plots. Our first plot, we're going to work with a spatial plot, and what we can do is take some packages that are in our library with our CSV file, and we can interpret these in order to create various plots. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through the program so that it creates the first plot. So up to this point, I've run the library calls, I've assigned the CVS file as my data, I've attached the data, and now below you can see the data displayed. So the next step is we will create this Philippines chart. And as you can see, it creates this plot resembling locations of where these attacks have. And the next line of code gives us a map called from Google Maps. And as you can see, after running through the rest of the code, we are able to isolate this chart by weapon type. Unfortunately, for the next bit of code in our plot, this gpclib permit and the GADM library that we are trying to call this data from is currently inaccessible due to the server being down. We are able to do plot 3. After running through this code, we're able to get an outcome plot that shows the contours on the map on the different regions that talk about the terrorist attack density. We then are able to see that our PNG files are placed in the folder of our choosing. We have one there, and the other two were unachievable again due to the site being crashed that our functions are trying to call from. So then we head back over to VBA, and in this case now we are going to import our PNGs and run them to create a PowerPoint that established both of them on slides. We go ahead and run that, and up pops our PowerPoint that is created that contains both of the PNG files pasted on PowerPoint slides that contain both plots that we created using our R code. So some of the big key takeaways for the future is utilizing VBA a little more to our advantage so that we're able to incorporate the 6 graphs as well onto these slides. I'd like to thank you for your time and spent watching our video. We hope that you learned something, and we look forward to instructing you and teaching you something more in the future. Thank you. Have a good day.